the thickness of the meat inside the jelly will correspond with how sweet it is.
So the thicker it is, the sweeter it is.
Yeah.
So what are you seasoning up in here?
We are seasoning up mice and mushroom, and we are roasting breadfruit and cocoa and white yam.
Ready?
This is roast breadfruit. This is fried breadfruit.
Fabius fruit.
Yeah, fried.
Ah,
Mushroom, jerk mushroom.
jerk
You see
mushroom.
them over there?
Yeah, purple skin and green skin.
Okay,
right?
so
Yeah.
these are two different
Right.
avocados.
You wanna taste this one? Oh,
All right, that's
Okay.
it.
Mm-hmm.
Close it.
Like a sandwich.
Yep. And because it's opposite, it's gonna close perfect. There we go.
Okay.
And hold it.
Mm-hmm.
Now take a bite. Get
Okay.
everything.
Here we go.
And say,
so you gonna say because her brain gonna go.
Mm-hmm.
It's really, really good.
roast cocoa, you know? Vital and vital.
White yam, roast. White
Okay,
yam.
white yam.
Yeah, roast.
Did this one get roasted too?
Yeah.
Right here.
What? Oh man.
Wow.
Let's see.
But you're right, that the salt gave it the perfect, like, it took it to the...
So good.
We got no forks either. We don't use no forks.
We don't need it. We don't
I
need
don't
it.
need it. I prefer
There you
when
go.
Look at her.
Thank you.
Man. Yo, up side.
These are our plates.
Yeah, shit.
Get the front.
Because this right here, this is good right here.
Corn is coming.
Okay.
That is hot.
Okay.
It's actually pretty good. It's way sweeter.
You have mushrooms on this one? These mushrooms? I
No,
have
no.
so many other tastes in my mouth, I can't taste it. But it just tastes good with everything else I got in my mouth. What you think?
It's sweet.
Sweet.
Super-
So now there's really nothing to throw away. All natural. Skins are right here. Core is right there. Compost to help you grow more.
Yeah.
Seriously, you could get full just eating naturally from all the trees and the plants and the roots that are out here. Just a natural fire. Just the wooden tabletop is the kitchen. It doesn't have to be fancy. It's just delicious and good and healthy.